Let's see how to create a pie chart in Excel with percentages. All right, first we'll select the table. Then click on Insert, click here, and click here. Now we've got it, but let's configure it. First, we'll resize it. Then click on the plus symbol. Then click on Data Labels. Now click here. Data Labels. More data label options. Click on Percentage. And remove the value, but only if we want to. Now in Label Position, we can set the position. Lastly, click on the chart. And here we can adjust the angle of first slice and also the pie explosion. That's it. Thanks for watching.